Hey Raspberry Pi enthusiasts, choosing the right operating system for your Pi can be tricky. Today we're comparing DietPi and Raspberry Pi OS. Let's dive in. First up, DietPi. It's a lightweight Debian-based OS designed for single-board computers like the Raspberry Pi. DietPi is all about performance with images as small as 400 megabytes, 3 times lighter than Raspberry Pi OS Lite. It's optimized to use minimal CPU and RAM, making it perfect for low-power devices like the Pi Zero. Plus, it comes with a user-friendly menu for installing apps like Kodi, Plex, or Nextcloud with one click. Next, Raspberry Pi OS, formerly Raspbian. This is the official OS for Raspberry Pi. Also Debian-based and built for beginners, it offers a graphical interface, pre-installed tools like Chromium and LibreOffice, and it's great for education or general-purpose projects. It's stable, versatile, and backed by a huge community, but it needs at least 1 GB of RAM to run smoothly. So, how do they stack up? DietPi is leaner, using less RAM and disk space, ideal for headless servers or performance-critical tasks like Pi-hole or media servers. Raspberry Pi OS shines for desktop use, education, or projects needing a GUI, but it's heavier on resources. DietPi's software installer is a time saver for server apps, while Raspberry Pi OS offers more pre-installed tools for beginners. Choose DietPi for low-resource devices, server setups, or if you love customization, and go with Raspberry Pi OS for learning, desktop tasks, or if you want a plug-and-play experience. Check out our comparison chart for a quick look, and that's it. Pick the OS that fits your project, and let us know your favorite in the comments. Happy tinkering!